What's up, everybody? So right now we are taking the old Civic wagon, and as you can see, she's towed up to this big old freaking tree that's kind of over my house. So, you know, we're just gonna take care of this situation and tow this tree down.
Is it okay we tie the safety line onto here?
Safety line, yeah.
No windows.
Perfect, just how Honda intended.
On the safety line here on the E pillar.
Duster Buster, what do you think could go wrong here?
We take out the patio roof. That's about the worst. Or the fence.
Patio roof does have a chance of getting taken out, so we'll do our best not to do that. But yeah, you can see she's a big tree. But yeah, if all goes well, she'll just tip over right there, right on top of the wagon, hopefully.
If this one breaks, I got the safety line on here. That's why OSHA wants it.
He's worked for OSHA and complied to their rules and regulations for years. He's
I need some safety glasses.
OSHA certified, if you ask
And
me.
I got my chaps.
Safety hat, and then I got my old race car helmet here. So yeah, most likely the tree might fall on the roof, but if all goes well, it'll just fall right into this pile of
I think it's going right
branches.
here. It's going right here.
We got bets right here, huh?
It's going right here. And you're gonna end up right over there with the car.
Maybe roll up the window.
Or what? The window?
The driver's side window. All right, anyways, quit the jibber jabber and get this tree taken out. Are we ready? Let's go! And that's how you do it. Let's go. Oh man, that worked awesome.
Right where I said, huh?
Right where we wanted it. That was so cool.
Safety work, rope work, yeah, that's still there.
Oh man, she's still there, tight.
Strong.
Take it down this huge tree. Look at this thing, man. Oh yeah. Just, you know, a nice whatever. What you think that's a 14 inch? And then all we got is this guy left, which I don't know, we'll see. Stay tuned. This might be the end, but this was a good one. Let's just appreciate this four-wheel burnout that the wagon was able to do out of that crazy 100 horsepower. This one's a little hard to see, but you know, it's there, trust me. But yeah, dude, the wagon's a beast.